What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, and thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI. Well, it is allowing general discussions about crypto, NFTs, and other digital assets. That's all that this video is. It is not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee of any kind. It is simply you and I going over the latest market analytics, going over the latest Shiba Inu coin news, or crypto news, depending on the video, and of course talking about the price action. Right now, Shiba Inu coin is trading at 598 points per coin. And you can see right here, this blue line, the 50-day exponential moving average. And it has been resistance. We tried for one day to break up above this level. And what happened? Shiba Inu coin sellers came in, they brought it right back down below the 50-day exponential moving average, and we are now using it as resistance once again. So, knowing that we tried, we broke through the 50, ran up to the 100, right back down below the 50. It is one of the strongest levels of technical resistance I have ever seen, not only in the crypto space, but crypto stocks and so on. Now, we're going to take a look at the overall market. $75,000 Bitcoin, $2290, $2,300 Ethereum, $84, $85 Solana. You know, it's not like it's a bad day in the crypto space. A 1.5%, 2% move across the board is not a very big decline, especially considering all of the uncertainty and geopolitical tensions that are going on in the world right now. But it's nonetheless not beneficial. Okay, we have come off so much fear in the crypto space that any decline like this immediately triggers essentially a fight or flight response, PTSD at this point, and reminds everybody to be fearful of what's ahead. We can't have that kind of emotion in the crypto space if we expect speculative assets to rise higher. Now, goes on to say that Shiba Inu coin on-chain activity is jumping, but rising exchange inflows signal potential sell pressure as Shiba Inu coin trades below those key resistance levels. Shiba Inu coin has recorded a clear rise in network activity over the last 24 hours, pointing to renewed engagement. Most tracked on-chain metrics have turned positive after a recent decline. However, deeper data shows that the trend lacks strong bullish confirmation, and the current price structure still reflects broader bearish context despite activity increases. It says data shows that 9 out of 10 tracked on-chain indicators moved higher within the last day, and active sending addresses also increased, signaling stronger participation across the network. At the same time, exchange outflows rose, often linked to tokens leaving those trading platforms. Now, this pattern usually aligns with accumulation behavior as holders move assets into private storage. In addition, exchange reserves measured in USD increased, showing higher capital exposure within the ecosystem. These combined signals suggest rising interest in Shiba Inu coin. However, rising outflows alone do not confirm accumulation. It says simultaneous growth in inflows and outflows often reflects repositioning rather than long-term holding. Large holders can shift or exit positions during distribution phases, which adds uncertainty to the trend. Now, exchange inflows point to potential selling pressure. Right now, inflows to exchanges are rising. Now, it does not mean that selling pressure is going to increase. It does not mean that these people are sending to exchanges to necessarily sell their Shiba Inu coin, but it is a possibility. Okay? If you hold on a centralized exchange, you are more likely to trade than if you held on a wallet or cold storage wallet. And that's where they get this increased selling pressure from. Doesn't have to be, but it is likely to be.